Factor out the greatest common factor. So let's start with some theory over here. The greatest common factor of the numbers is the GCD, which is the greatest common divisor of the numbers. So we're going to find the factors of the smallest number, which is 12, and see the greatest that divides into the other numbers. So we're taking our 12, do the prime factorization. 2 is the lowest prime. 2 goes into 12 6 times. 2 goes into that 3 times. 3 is the first prime that goes into 3. 3 into 3 is 1. So the factors are here. 2 times 2 times 3. If you learn a different method with the tree, that's fine. You end up with the same thing. 2 times 2 times 3. So the factors that can be made out of that can possibly go into these other numbers are 1, of course, 2, because there's a 2, 4, because 2 times 2 is 4, 6, because 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 times 3 is also 6, and then of course the whole number itself, 12. So those are all. So when I look at these numbers, 28 and 36, 6 does not go into 28, so that's out. 12 is too big, it doesn't go into 28. 4 does. 4 is the greatest common factor of the numbers. So the GCF is 4 in this case. So we're going to say equals, factor out the 4. Then we're going to take each variable in alphabetical order. The highest power of x that fits into all three of these, here, here, and here, is just x to the first. Then the highest power of the y's that fits into all three is y squared. And then you put a parentheses, and then you put what's left over when you divide those out. 4 times what has to equal 36? 9. Okay, and then x times 1 is x, so you don't need an x in there. Y squared times 1 is y squared, so you don't need that either. Go on to the second term. 4 times what is negative 12? Negative 3. X times what is x squared? X to the first. Y times what is y to the third? Y to the first. And you can always check it. Does what you have so far. 4xy squared times 9 is 36xy squared, check. 4xy squared times negative 3xy is 12. X squared y to the third, check. Okay, and then the last one you have here, 4 times what is 28, 7. X times what is x squared, x to the third, it's x squared. Y squared times what is y squared, just a 1. So this is it. And then, as I said, I suggest that you factor it and multiply it back in just to check to see if everything is correct. And then it is. Okay, then you rewrite this in decreasing exponent order. I mean, it wouldn't be wrong to have this, but it might look a little better if you had this.